Wepa, mi gente. This is your boy Dr. Kizomba. What's up, my people? Hey! Alright, okay, so, and right now we're doing this amazing dance, okay, by the name of Tarraxinha, alright? We just started every single Wednesday at 8 o'clock right here at the Dr. Kizomba studios, okay? We have this amazing dance right now. Yeah, and what? Yeah, that was Cedric, okay? Now, my people, stay right there and watch this, okay? Just watch this, all right? It's messing me up. Yeah.
Shout out to everybody. Sem limite, tá na área, mais uma vez.